Welcome to another new video of mine. In today's video, I bring you the most essential new food steamers.
Number 5. The Viver electric food steamer is a top-notch kitchen appliance that brings convenience and efficiency to your cooking routine. Made with high-quality, transparent PP material, this steamer by Viver is a reliable choice for those looking to prepare healthy and delicious meals effortlessly. With product dimensions of 12.6 AL into 9.5 W into 13 H and weighing only 3.4 pounds, this electric food steamer is compact yet spacious enough to accommodate a variety of food items simultaneously. The transparent design allows you to monitor the cooking process without the need to open the steamer, ensuring your food is perfectly cooked every time. The Viver brand is synonymous with reliability and innovation, and this electric food steamer lives up to that reputation. Whether you are steaming vegetables, fish, or dumplings, this steamer delivers consistent results with minimal effort. Its user-friendly design and easy-to-clean feature make it a must-have for anyone looking to streamline their cooking.
Number 4. The Hamilton Beach Digital Electric Food Steamer offers a convenient and efficient way to steam a variety of foods with ease. The sleek combination of black and stainless steel aesthetics adds a touch of modernity to any kitchen. Crafted from durable plastic and bearing the reputable Hamilton Beach brand name, this steamer is designed to withstand regular use. Measuring at 13.7 inches in length, 7.28 inches in width, and 12.6 inches in height, the product's compact size makes it ideal for kitchens with limited space. At just 3.97 pounds, it is lightweight and easy to move or store when not in use. This digital electric food steamer boasts user-friendly controls that allow for precise cooking times and optimal results. Its digital interface simplifies the steaming process, making it suitable for individuals of all cooking levels. Whether you are steaming vegetables, fish, or grains, the Hamilton Beach Digital Electric Food Steamer
Number 3. The Bella 9.5 QT Triple-tier digital food steamer is a reliable kitchen appliance for those seeking a convenient way to prepare healthy meals at home. With its sleek stainless steel design and triple-tiered steaming baskets, this steamer offers both functionality and style. The use of stainless steel material not only ensures durability, but also adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen countertop. The compact dimensions of 12.51 L into 9.25 W into 16.06 AH make it easy to store when not in use, making it an ideal choice for those with limited kitchen space. Weighing just 4.18 pounds, the Bella food steamer is lightweight and easy to move around, allowing for hassle-free meal preparation. The triple-tier feature enables you to steam different types of food, simultaneously saving you time and energy in the kitchen. The digital controls on this food steamer make it user-friendly and allow for precise steaming based on your preferences, whether you're cooking vegetables, fish, or dumplings.
Number 2. The Ovente 2. Tier electric food steamer is a sleek and efficient addition to any kitchen. With its durable stainless steel construction, this food steamer is built to last. The two-tier design allows you to steam different types of food simultaneously, saving you time and energy. Measuring at 7.5 L into 9.4 W into 11.4 H and weighing only 1.8 pounds. This food steamer is compact and lightweight, making it easy to store and move around. The silver color adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor. The Ovente electric food steamer is not only practical, but also easy to use. The intuitive design makes steaming a variety of dishes hassle-free. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, this steamer is sure to elevate your cooking experience. Overall, the Ovente 2-tier electric food steamer is a reliable kitchen appliance that delivers excellent results.
Number 1. Bella 2. Tier Food Steamer. The Bella 2 Tier Food Steamer is a versatile addition to any kitchen. With a sleek black color and durable stainless steel material, this steamer combines style with functionality. The Bella brand is known for its quality products, and this food steamer is no exception. Measuring at 14.17 inches in length, 10.23 inches in width, and 11.41 inches in height. This food steamer is compact yet spacious enough to steam various types of food simultaneously. Weighing only 3.53 pounds, it is lightweight and easy to move around your kitchen. One of the standout features of the Bella 2-tier food steamer is its 2-tier design, allowing you to steam different foods at the same time, saving you time and energy. The 2 tiers also enable you to cook a complete meal in one go, making it perfect for busy individuals or families. Additionally, this food steamer is easy to use and clean, making meal preparation a breeze. The stainless steel material ensures durability and longevity,